In the dim morning light, a weary man confronts his aging reflection, a silent testament to time's relentless march. As the reflection stares back, a stark on-screen message flashes. Your body may be aging faster than you think. A chilling reminder of unseen decay. A voice whispers, a creeping feeling of declining energy. But there's a solution, hinting at a beacon of hope amid the encroaching darkness. Deep within the cells, mitochondria wither and fade, their once vibrant energy diminishing into a stark portrayal of cellular decline. The stark question looms: what's happening inside your body? The narrator declares the dire consequences of mitochondrial failure: fatigue, accelerated aging, and the looming specter of disease. A montage exposes the harsh realities of modern life. A man indulges in fast food, a worker crumbles under stress, and a human body animation illustrates cells starving for nutrients. The stark truth is revealed. Inflammatory diets, chronic stress, and nutrient deficiencies are the insidious destroyers of our mitochondria. A symphony of vibrant fruits and vegetables bursts onto the screen, promising a natural path to renewed vitality. In a moment of serene tranquility, a man reclines, his face radiating peace as he unlocks the secrets to natural energy restoration. Within the body, an animated capsule dissolves, unleashing a surge of energy as tiny mitochondria awaken, revitalizing from within. The narrator reveals, discover the secret to restoring your energy naturally. In a vibrant studio setting, an energized person beams, holding a bottle of advanced mitochondrial formula, promising a revolution in personal energy. The screen boldly declares, your energy can change now. Click the link below, beckoning viewers to embark on a transformative journey. The narrator urges, click the link below to learn more and take the first step towards a more energized body, extending an invitation to viewers. In a final call to action, the narrator enthusiastically encourages, comment, like, and subscribe.